How to get the Spotify Lightsaber. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Spotify Lightsaber progress bar effect on your Spotify application. For that, first of all, you will need to open your Spotify desktop application. Also note that this works only on PC or MacBook, not on your mobile device. Now once you open your Spotify application on your device, make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Now here at the top, you will be able to locate the search bar. Click on the search bar here. Make sure the caps lock is on your keyboard. Now in the search bar, type in THX1138 all in caps. Once you enter this keyword, now you will be able to see the search results below. Click on the song and click on the play button inside it to play it. Once it starts playing, at the bottom you will be able to see the progress bar which has been transformed into a glowing Star Wars lightsaber. You may also click on the lightsaber hilt in the progress bar at the left side to cycle through different colors and hilts. You will be able to change it to 3 different colors which are blue, red and yellow. The lightsaber effect stays active for all the songs until you restart Spotify or again type THX1138 to toggle it off. So this is how you can get Spotify Lightsaber. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.